To pay your U.S. Bank credit card bill, start by opening the U.S. Bank's app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once logged in, your homepage will display various options, including Pay Bills and Transfer at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this option to proceed. You will then be taken to a page with 4 different options, where you need to select the first one, Pay a Bill. Choose the credit card for which you want to pay the bill. Then tap on the Pay option. The app will automatically provide the amount you need to pay. Select the account from which you want to make the payment, such as a checking account, and tap Save. You can then choose to settle the payment or simply tap Pay at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your payment. So tap Pay once again to complete the process. This is how you can pay your U.S. Bank credit card bill using the mobile app.